You're gonna get squished, motherfucker. Fuck. Come here, birdie. Come here. Come here, birdie. Whoa. I guess I'm accidentally calling my voicemail. Oops. Come on, you bird. Look, dude. Come here, you're okay. Did you touch it? Yeah. Don't bite me, motherfucker. Bird. There's a trap back here too. A trap? Like a mouse trap? Oh. Sorry, I didn't use. Come here. Come here. You're holding it. I know. Stop fucking biting me. I'm helping you, motherfucker. Did you smush it? No. If I had 2 hands, I could get it faster. I'm trying to help you. Quit fucking biting me. Use both hands. Oh, dude, just stay on this bench part. Here.
Here.
Oh my god. Use both hands and grab that fucker. Ow! Did it bite you? Did you get your babies?
Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm back there.
Hey, what?
Fucking went back here. No. You're not leaving.
We're trying to catch a bird in my garage right now. It's being a bitch and will not come out of the window.
Ow!
Where'd it go? I'm so scared right now.
Just fly up there.
It's behind the roller skates back there.
It is?
Yeah, just touch the roller skate. It's behind there, I know it is.
Oh, is it under it?
I don't know. Oh my god.
Oh, there you are.
Is it like hurt?
I don't know.
It ain't moving.
I know.
Get the fuck out of my house.
Come here.
Bye bye, birdie.